Higher education and R&D, research and development funding. According to Statistics Estonia, €302.8 million was allocated to research and development in 2015. Estonian R&D is characterised by a very large investment by the European Union structural funds. Its proportion in 2016 was 48%. Personal research funding is the funding of high-level research projects. There are three categories of grants: postdoctoral grants, startup grants, team grants. Mobilitas Plus provides for incoming postdoctoral grants, returning researcher grants, top researcher grants, support for study visits, and training abroad. Horizon 2020 is the largest EU research and innovation programme ever and is open to everyone. It helps to develop science, improve industrial leadership, and tackle challenges within society. The Kristjan Jaak Scholarship and Dora Plus are mobility scholarships for study and teaching purposes. For example, degree studies or study periods abroad and short study visits. You can find more information on the Archimedes homepage. Scholarships for undergraduate studies in the fields related to the Estonian language and culture, for MA and PhD studies, for participation in summer and winter schools, mobility grants for researchers and academic staff. The Erasmus Plus programme aims to boost skills and employability. There are opportunities for students, staff, trainees, master's students and cooperation projects. EAS, Enterprise Estonia, promotes business and regional policy in Estonia. Enterprise Estonia is one of the largest institutions within the national support system for entrepreneurship. EAS offers different grants and services such as startup grants, innovation vouchers, development vouchers, enterprise development programs, grants for international events and conferences, and export grants for creative industries.